Blizzard Action Plan, written by Jill McDougall, illustrated by Andre Seelin. Blizzards are strong snowstorms. They bring snow and wind. Close read. What questions do you have about blizzards? Highlight the words that help you answer your questions. Talk with your family about blizzards. Make a plan to stay safe. It is a good idea to be ready. Pack a supply kit. Pack water, food, and a flashlight. Close read. What should you do before a blizzard? What should you do during a blizzard? Underline the things you should do. If a blizzard comes and you lose power, 1. Stay inside. Wear warm clothes. 2. Eat. Food helps keep you warm. 3. Play indoor games. Exercise helps keep you warm too. Vocabulary in context. What does exercise mean? Highlight details that help you understand the meaning of the word. Use the picture too. A blizzard action plan will keep you safe.